Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a leads campaign inside the Snapchat ads platform. So once we are in the platform, we can start creating a new campaign, which is going to be a leads campaign. Again, we are going to do a manual build campaign, a manual campaign, and we can start filling in all the details, like starting with the name of the campaign. You can also do a split test as well. A split test is basically where you can create two different ad groups with two different ads and run them parallelly to compare their performance at the end of it so that you'll understand what type of creatives works best for your business. Then you can give a start date, end date of the campaign. So you can do that here. Next, we are moving to the ad set level. Here you can see that it's by default chosen lead forms, which is the relevant one, which we want to use. And then you can give your goal as well. So here our focus is going to be to generating as many leads as possible, so which is absolutely correct. And then we can choose between automated bidding or manual bidding. So let's say we're choosing automated bidding for now. Then you can give the budget for the campaign and give a start date end date. We can also choose the location targeting and demographics targeting right here as per our requirement. You can also do your audience targeting. So here Snapchat gives you multiple audiences to target from, okay, so which you can go through, understand what kind of audiences they are, and then target them. Lastly, you can do your device level targeting and decide your delivery. Then we are coming to the ad level. So this is where you can give a name to the ad and choose the image. Okay, so over here you can choose and then you can add your video as well, music as well, the background music for it. So you can see we have added the music as well at the back end. This is how the ad creative is getting built out over here. Then you can give a headline. You can also give the location. So this is going to be a lead form. Okay. And we want to sign up, or you can say form fill up if they have anything of that sort. We can do that as well. Or get a code. Let's say we're choosing sign up. This is where we are going to now design our lead form. So this is the form which people will get to see and they can fill up the details. So we can create the whole form here. So we can give it a name. If you want to give a image as well for it, you can do that. And then you give the other details. Now you can define the questions. Okay, add a question. Okay, so let's say we are looking for a simple question, which is a short answer. Personal information is also here. Okay, first name, last name. You want to use that, you want to give phone number, all that you can do, or you can do some custom questions as well. So let's say we are not using these custom questions. We are only using the personal information right here. With this, you can create the form. Then we have to give the privacy policy page. So we can go to our website and we can provide the privacy policy page. This is a mandatory step for every form creation. We will have to provide that. Once you provide the privacy policy URL, then we are coming to the end page. Okay. And here you can see, you can have, this is the message which we've seen. Okay. Add the call to action. You want to do that. You want people to visit your website, then give your website URL after they fill up the form. So wherever you want to drive the traffic to, basically, you can do so. You want them to visit a website or book now or any of these, you can appropriately give the website URL for that. With this, we we create the whole form for this lead gen campaign. So the form is created and then you can review the campaign once, whether it looks fine. The form is here and then we can finally publish. This is how a lead generating campaign gets built up in the Snapchat ads platform. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now the complete process, how we can build out the campaign. This will go for a checking. Once it is approved by Snapchat, then the campaign can go live. This is the campaign, guys, which we have built up. Thank you so much for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.